Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change the thumbnail of your reels on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now this is a relatively simple process. All you need to do is locate the reel you want and then you can go ahead and edit it. And in the editing screen, you will have the option to change the thumbnail or the cover image as it's called in Instagram. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your profile and search for whichever reel you want. I have one of them is pinned, so I'm just going to go into that pinned reel. And now in the top right, if we click the three dots, you'll see this edit sign right over View Insights if you have a business account, or right under Turn Off Downloading if you're just an ordinary Instagram user. You can also go to the full reel view and click on the three dots, click on Manage, and then you'll see Edit at the very top of the menu, so use whichever method fits you best. Then once you click on Edit, as you can see, this is what the editing screen looks like, and you can click Edit right on the thumbnail that's already here, and you'll be able to select a new one. Now you can select a still image from your reel if you want to, but for some reason it doesn't allow me to do this. I'm not really sure why. Even if I select anything, it doesn't appear here on the screen, and if I tap Done, as you'll see, nothing is happening. But I'll just go ahead and go to my camera roll. I'll add, for example, this one, which is a screenshot that I took, and now the reel cover image has been changed. Click on the check mark, and after that's done, that reel will have its thumbnail changed. And if I go back into my account and go to my grid view, as you can see, the thumbnail has changed, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.